How to delete Netflix search history on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your Netflix search history on iPhone. So simply make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to go ahead and then delete your Netflix search history on your iPhone, what you have to do is first of all open up Netflix and then just log into one of your specific accounts, right? Once I log into my account, if I tap on the search icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, so let me come back and tap on the search icon. If you're talking about this being your search history, then you are absolutely wrong. You have to understand that Netflix does not actually record your search history. Whatever you type on Netflix is completely anonymous. The only thing that is going to track is your watch history, your continue watching series, as well as your viewing activities. Those are the things that you can delete. But if you look over here, these are simply some of the top searches from Netflix, because you can also see the top searches at the very top of the screen. This is just like the trending section on YouTube, right? So when you open up YouTube, you have to explore the trending section based on music and so on. Similarly, this is the case for Netflix as well. These are simply some of the trending searches that people are searching near your region. So if you're watching this, basically it means that people who are near your region and your country is also searching for the same shows. This is not your search history, and I'll prove it to you. So if I just search for A, B and C over here, let's say, once I search for it and then I'll hit the return button, so you can see it says top results. But if I come back and then I tap on the search icon again from the top right hand side of the screen, you can see my search history is not there. This is not our search history. The only thing that it tracks is actually our continue watching series. So if I scroll down here, you'll find continue watching, right? If you want to delete a show from continue watching, just tap on the three dots, select the option called remove from row, and then tap on the remove button. And if you want to delete your whole history of Netflix, then you have to open up your browser, log into netflix.com, tap on the three lines icon, and then go to account. Then once you go to account, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, select a profile whose history you want to delete. Once you select that profile, select the option called viewing activity, right? So just tap on view. Here you'll be able to see all of the viewing activity of this profile, and then you'll be able to see the hide all button. So let me select another profile over here. I'll expand the menu and then I'll go to the option called viewing activity. Over here you'll be able to see all of the shows that this person is watching, and you can just tap on the option called hide all in order to hide all of these viewing activities. But of course, at the end of the day, this is not our search history, so obviously this might not be what you want to do. But as I said earlier, and I repeat again, Netflix does not keep a track of its search history. The thing that you see on the search bar is simply some of the top searches that people have made on Netflix. So hope this video cleared the confusion. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.